asking for the truck center. This is stuck in the 3995P. It is a 2017 Ford Transit T150, 106,000 paid. Passenger side is very nice and clean. There's no nicks in the seats or in the door panel or anything like that. Looks really good. Opening up the side door, these transit vans are nice. The side doors open up really nice and wide. There's room for some tanks there, as well as shelving on both sides, and there is additional room up front if you wanted to put some more shelving or maybe a bed slide or something else in there for parts, bins, and stuff. Tires are okay on it. It has this nice hydraulic roof rack, which drops your ladders right down onto the side for you. And it is lockable as well, so nobody will steal your ladders. There is a backup camera. The back there's another shot with just open shelving on both sides. Tons of room between the shelving for sliding things in there, air conditioner, a plumber, or spools of wire for an electrician. We're going to hydraulic on the driver's side as well. 3.7 liter V6 in here. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. There is some steering wheel controls as well as a lockable center console. This van is very nicely outfitted for any electrical or plumbing contractor or cable installer. Again, this is $39.95, 2017 Ford Transit car.